Stop muscle loss fast. Senior secret coffee formula revealed. The hidden truth about muscle loss after 60 and how a morning coffee can help. There's a reality many people overlook. After age 60, our muscles don't hold their strength the way they used to. Science calls this sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It creeps in quietly. Maybe you notice that carrying a grocery bag feels heavier than before, or getting up from a chair takes just a bit more effort. Have you ever felt that? One of my patients, John, age 68, once told me, "Doc, I just want to climb the stairs without having to stop halfway to catch my breath." Such a simple wish. But for many in their 60s and beyond, it feels like a big dream. The good news: there are gentle, natural ways to maintain strength, and yes, even a cup of morning coffee, with the right ingredient, can become a powerful tool for change. If you care about keeping your body flexible, strong, and independent, go ahead and like this video, share it, and subscribe, because together we're going to explore exactly how whey protein, the muscle switch. What makes whey protein so unique is an amino acid called leucine. Think of it as the key that flips the switch for muscle building. Without leucine, the body struggles to signal muscles to repair and grow. For people over 60, research shows you need about 2.53 grams of leucine per meal to properly trigger this process. Not too little, not too much, just enough to send a strong signal. One of the simplest ways to get it: stir a scoop of whey protein right into your morning coffee. The warmth blends it smoothly. The flavor is rich and creamy, and your muscles get exactly what they need to wake up and rebuild. For anyone who is lactose intolerant, whey isolate is the best option. It has almost all the lactose removed while keeping leucine and other essential amino acids intact. I often tell my patients, one scoop of whey in your morning coffee can give you more than energy. It's the strength in your legs, the power in your arms, and the independence to live each day fully. Collagen peptides, fuel for joints, tendons, and muscles. Have you noticed that as the years pass, your knees ache more often, or your fingers feel stiff in the morning? Much of that comes down to collagen, a protein that makes up about 25% of all protein in the body. It acts like the strings and cables that keep joints, tendon, and muscles working smoothly. The problem is, after our 20s, collagen production declines by about 1% per year. By the time you hit 60, that loss is significant. You feel it in every step and every movement. I had a 70-year-old patient tell me, "Doctor, I just want to stand up from a chair without my son's help." When she began adding collagen peptides to her morning coffee, within a few months, she noticed less stiffness in her knees and stronger grip in her hands. Here's what makes it even better. When collagen pairs with whey protein, you get the perfect duo. Whey sends the signal to build, while collagen provides the building blocks like a drumbeat that calls for action, and the bricks to build the house. So every morning, that little cup of coffee isn't just waking up your mind, it's quietly restoring your body, timing your protein for maximum impact. Did you know that after 60, your body doesn't absorb and use protein as efficiently as before? That's why timing becomes critical. Science shows that the first 30 minutes after waking up is a golden window for protein. Your muscles are empty and hungry from the night. If you give them protein right away, especially paired with a little light movement, like stretching or walking, you maximize repair and growth. That's why I often call morning protein coffee the perfect formula for people over 60. It wakes you up, fuels your muscles, and supports your joints all at once. I've seen countless patients try this simple habit and notice real change in just a few weeks: more energy, more stability, more confidence in every step. So let me ask you, does your morning coffee truly feed your body? Or is it just a habit? Vitamin D and morning walks. Strength from the sun. Have you ever noticed how a short morning walk can completely change your mood? That's not just the fresh air, it's your body soaking up vitamin D. Research shows vitamin D is crucial for muscle strength and balance. And yet, people over 60 are often deficient because they spend more time indoors and less in the sun. Take my patient Paul, a retired teacher at 74. At first, he was skeptical when I said, "After your coffee with whey and collagen, go for a 50-minute walk outside." But after a few months, the results surprised even his family doctor. Stronger muscles, steadier steps. And Paul himself said, "I feel 10 years younger." Picture this: the morning sun warming your skin, your feet moving in rhythm, your body fueled by protein and strengthened by natural vitamin D. It's not just a routine, It's the bridge between today's health and tomorrow's independence. Practical benefits of use. I want to share with you 2 real stories, because sometimes the experiences of those who have gone before us can be a stronger motivation than any numbers. Susan, 68 years old, came to see me because she often felt tired, out of breath when climbing stairs, and had to give up the little garden she once loved. I advised her to start her mornings with protein coffee, just 1 scoop of whey protein, a little collagen peptides, and then a 15-minute walk outside. Surprisingly, after only 3 weeks, she could climb stairs more easily. After 3 months, she returned to her garden with strong hands and eyes full of joy. Then there was Paul, 74 years old, a retired teacher. He was skeptical at first, thinking such a small change could hardly make a difference, but he stayed consistent. 4 months later, during his routine checkup, his doctor noticed a significant increase in muscle mass. Paul said he felt 10 years younger and could confidently travel with his wife without worrying about fatigue. That is the power of a simple but steady morning habit. I want to ask you, if Susan and Paul could change their lives, would you want to try it for yourself? Share your experience or your desire in the comments section below. I always read and value every story, cost and feasibility. One of the questions I often hear from patients is, "Doctor, supplementing with whey protein and collagen must be very expensive, right?" In fact, when you look closely, the cost is much more reasonable than you might imagine. A quality tub of whey and a bag of collagen peptides, divided into daily servings, only cost about the same as a few cups of cafe coffee per month. I often say, you can spend a few dollars for a quick coffee on the street, or you can invest the same money to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee while also nourishing your muscles, joints, and long-term health. The important thing is to view this not as an expense, but as an investment. The benefits go far beyond what you spend. Steadier steps, stronger hands, and above all, independence, the ability to do what you love without relying on others. So the real question is not, is the cost worth it? But how much are you willing to invest in your own health and longevity? Safety notes and easy beginnings. Before you start this habit, there are a few things I want to emphasize. If you have kidney disease, diabetes, or are taking prescription medications, be sure to consult your doctor first. Although whey protein and collagen are generally safe, everybody is different, and caution is always necessary. For those with sensitive digestion, do not rush. You can begin with half a serving, just half a scoop of whey or collagen in your morning coffee. As your body adjusts, increase to a full serving. This approach helps you avoid discomfort and makes it easier to maintain long-term. Remember, this is not a complex program or a harsh challenge. It is simply a small daily habit, a morning cup of coffee with a bit of protein, a bit of collagen, followed by a short walk in the morning sun. These small actions, repeated long enough, will create big changes for your health and your life. So we have reached the end of our morning journey. A very simple yet powerful formula: 1 cup of coffee, add whey protein, add collagen peptides, and finish with a walk under the early sun. That formula is the foundation to restore muscle, build strength, and maintain independence after age 60. The wonderful thing is you do not need to wait long to see results. After just 3 to 4 weeks, many people already feel stronger, with lighter steps, and after 2 to 3 months, the changes become clear: firmer muscles, more flexible joints, greater confidence. I believe that health does not come from instant miracles, but from small habits, repeated consistently every day. And you can start tomorrow morning. If you find this video helpful, please click like, share it with your friends or loved ones who are also seeking solutions to stay healthy after 60 pounds. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss the latest tips for strong, independent aging. Thank you for giving your precious time to watch this video. I wish you health, happiness, peace, and joy. Please join me in the next video.